Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, complete guide to using voice and video calls on WhatsApp web. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, click on the Start button on your Windows laptop or PC, and search for Microsoft Store. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to open. In the Microsoft Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp appears in the results, click on it and then hit the Install button. After installation is complete, open the WhatsApp desktop app. You'll see a screen with a QR code. This is what we'll use to link your phone. Now let's move to the mobile phone. Here's my phone screen on the video for you to follow along. Open WhatsApp on your mobile. Tap the three vertical dots at the top right and select Linked Devices. Then tap on Link a Device and scan the QR code shown on your laptop screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp will be connected to your laptop. Now you're all set to make calls. Just select any contact from the list, and you'll now see the voice call and video call icons at the top right of the chat. When you click on either of them for the first time, WhatsApp will ask for permission to access your microphone and camera. Click Allow. And that's it. Now you can make voice and video calls directly from your laptop using WhatsApp Desktop. Super easy and convenient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials.